All right. So that's what I want you to do for the task. So let me know if the task is clear to you guys or not. Is it clear? Is it not clear?
Not clear,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
will you please repeat it?
Okay, so you got the part that you need to make whatever we did right now, you need to do it yourself once. And after that, you need to put a condition, where when when the numbers are equal, they're matching, that means the user won. If the user did not win, you would just display that you lost and give them an option to either play again or they can exit the game. We need to give them two options: either they can play again or they need to exit the game. Run the code. All right. Right now nothing will happen if we are losing, so I'll just do one thing. I'll just I'll do it again. Right now nothing. Okay. So let's give 45 and see. So we won. It's saying that we won. That means that our numbers must have matched. That's what I'm guessing right now. Or there might be a problem. Let's give 3. Just mean you won again and again. Right?
हेलो मैम।
Yeah.
मैम फ्लैग के अंदर मतलब इफ के अंदर फ्लैग इक्वल इक्वल ट्रू आएगा।
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Correct. Thank you for that. Mystery 45. It said you lost because the numbers were not the same. And then we can do it again. There might be a condition when they end up being same, but they're just not, so you're getting your loss. So in this condition, when we have lost, after this you need to give the user an option of whether they can play the game again, like they can guess a number again and do the whole thing again, or they can just exit the game. And you have done it in your that task, the one we made with the menu. Remember, I gave a task, we did one thing where you would ask the user to, do they want to go again or do they want to stop, which was that menu one that we did with the switch case. So you have to do something like that. Is it clear now?
यस मैम।
What about the others? I want this task to
Yes,
be
ma'am.
done. I want the
Yes, ma'am.
task that I'm giving. I am expecting you guys to do them, because if you don't do it, then I kind of feel, like kind of feels useless to come up with tasks and like put them up for you guys, and then they are not being completed. So try completing it, and I guess yes, this is kind of a simple project. I think by tomorrow, if you guys do complete a task by tomorrow, this must be done. All right. If you guys have any queries, you guys didn't even, the problem right now is that you did not do the task that I gave you yesterday. Do one thing, do this one and complete those tasks. So tomorrow, whatever problems you have, you can ask me at once. Otherwise, like half of you have done it and the other half have not even started it. So those are very simple, very small programs. And considering the third one that all of you are, easily leaving, I have given it for a reason. Try researching a bit, except for people who have like your exams or something going on. You can leave on that for now. Try searching, try Google searching a bit about how those numbers are converted. You will get, you know, a formula kind of thing of this is how you can do it, and then try doing it once. Don't completely leave code out. All right, give it a try so that you can yourself solve problems. I am here to help you out. I will do the complete program for you, but then it's just you copying the whole thing. You see the code and you do it. I want you to think it yourself and do it. All right. So so today I think this is for the class. Now if you have any queries, you can stay back and ask me, or you can start leaving, and by tomorrow make sure that you guys do these tasks. All right, I'll put a task in the classroom as well. So if you guys have any queries, you can stay back and ask me. You can start leaving, and tomorrow is gonna be completely like you guys will come with the tasks completed, and whatever queries you have, I'll solve them, and we will continue this project and complete this one. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you have queries, you can ask me. You can start leaving.